meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, good afternoon on this Thursday, heading toward the weekend, and it looks like we're going to stay pretty warm here as we head through the weekend. What we are watching, of course, is how dry it is, and we could certainly use some rain. The last time we had a decent rainfall wasn't since last January 10th was the last good rain we've had, and as a result, our numbers continue to drop. Looking at those, you can see the rain amounts. The deficit for the year is 1 inch and 4/10, and for this month we're down 1 1/4 inches, so it's no surprise. There's our drought, and this is the newest drought monitor, and you can see the severe drought in orange. We have extreme drought in brush country and western portions of Duval County there. As you head westward, we have a severe to moderate drought in much of the coastal bend, and right along the coast continuing to be dry. So looking for the water, unfortunately I do not see any meaningful rain in our forecast, and we do have stage 1 water restrictions. Just to brush you up here on what that means is you can't water your lawn except 1 day a week, and the day that you can do that is on your trash pickup day. It can't be in the middle of the day. It has to be between 6 in the evening and 10 in the morning. You can hand water, however, and that's allowed any time of the day, but it's the watering your lawns and irrigation that's confined to 1 day a week. Also, home foundation watering 1 day a week, allow the day after irrigation. Ways that you can conserve water: only wash full loads in the washing machine and dishwasher, and don't forget to turn off that water while brushing your teeth, and rinse dishes in a pan rather than under running water. That'll save some water. And you can also reduce the level of the water in your bath, and also install low flow toilets and shower heads. Some ways that you can help out. Well, it was foggy this morning. Here's a look at the Corpus Christi Marina, the time lapse showing that fog sticking around through mid to late morning, and finally we're seeing a few peaks of sunshine out there, and that's warmed us up a bit. It's 76 right now in Corpus Christi after hitting 81 today. And it's windy again. Look at that wind, 25 miles an hour coming in from the south-southeast. It's also humid out there this afternoon with 70 degrees, a nice day at Rockport, Kingsville 78, and windy. And you can see a little blue sky in Kingsville. Nice to see a little sunshine this afternoon. We are going to deal with this fog right through the weekend, and we have another dense fog, marine dense fog advisory, and that is until 2 o'clock tomorrow. That does include the bays, as temperatures stay mild tonight with all that humidity in the air. We're not cooling down. Fog and low clouds tonight, perhaps a stray shower or two in the early morning tomorrow, and then we'll see a mix of clouds and sun and another warm day. Temperatures touching 80 in Corpus Christi tomorrow, lower 80s toward Alice and Hebronville, and freer farther north in the upper 70s near Beeville and George West tomorrow. So pretty warm day, and we may get a shower or two, especially in our northern counties. We have cooler air to the north right now, but that does not look like it's going to make it here. The front that's separating the cooler from the warmer air is stationary. That's what that line means there on that graphic. So it looks like it's going to stay north of us, which means we're in this weather pattern here with the warmer air for a few days. As far as any rain, though, we aren't going to see much, if any. Perhaps a stray shower. Future tracker here showing perhaps a shower or two through the day tomorrow. This is tomorrow early morning, and then we start to see the clouds breaking up in the afternoon and some sunshine. And like I mentioned, that's going to bring temperatures up again tomorrow afternoon. There's the 7-day forecast then. Nights stay mild in the 60s. The next cool down, and it's very short. It's Monday night into Tuesday. Nights will dip briefly into the 50s, and days for Tuesday in the 60s with only a small chance we'll see some rain. Drew?